Welcome everyone to this new topic of algebra. Please, for proper understanding of this topic, we are starting from the very basic in algebra, the primary school section of it, before we move to the JS and then the SS. Algebra is simply the use of letters in mathematics. Most times, we use letters along with numbers in mathematics, which is referred to as algebra. Check the following expressions carefully. I, 2 plus 3 minus 1 over 2. I, 6 times 18 divided by 3. I, x plus x plus x. IV, y plus 2y minus 4 minus y. Expressions I and II involve numbers only, hence they cannot be called algebra, whereas 3 and 4 are algebra since they involve both letters and numbers. The use of letters did not come into mathematics to punish or make life difficult for students or learners, but to make working easy. We can write out the whole countries of the world without filling too many spaces. For instance, A for Africa, E for Europe, U for USA, N for Nigeria, I for India, on and on. What are we doing? We are forming letters from words. The next concept is coefficient in algebra. And let us take a picture to represent it, where you have a human and a dog side by side. Coefficient is an important term in algebra. The ordinary number standing by any letter is the coefficient. It can be thought of as the person standing by a dog, where the coefficient is the person and the letter is a dog. Just as we can identify a dog easily when we see it, so also we should be able to identify coefficient in algebra. Examples. List out the coefficient of x in the following: 1, x, 2, minus x, 3, 5x, 4, minus 100x, 5, x over 6, 6, 1x over 6. Explanation and solution. Number 1. Coefficient of x is 1. Reason: 1 is standing by x, though it is pretending not to be there. Anytime you see a letter without a number, then the coefficient is 1. Number 2. Minus x. Coefficient of x is minus 1. Reason: 1 is standing along with the minus, though it is pretending not to be there. Number 3. 5x. The coefficient of x is 5. Number 4. Minus 100x. The coefficient of x is minus 100. Number 5. X over 6. The coefficient is 1 over 6. Since x over 6 is 1 over 6 of x. Number 6. 1 over 6x. The coefficient of x is 1 over 6. This one is straight to the point. Let's have some few exercises. We are through with a few examples on coefficient. Let's have some exercises. You try your hands on them. Be able to list out the coefficient. We move to our next subtopic. Simplification. Grouping of terms in bracket. Under this, we treat grouping among like terms in algebra. Example 1. Simplify 9c minus 2c plus c minus 4c. Solution. Grouping the positive and negative terms together, we have 9c minus 2c plus c minus 4c will be equals to 9c plus c minus 2c minus 4c. The first term, 9c, is carrying plus, even though it is not shown. This is the practice in mathematics. Thus, we have equals to, when we do the addition, 9c plus c will be equal to 10c minus 6c, because minus 2c minus 4c will give us minus 6c. How, you may ask? Yes, we added the positive side, which is the good items, and we also added the negative side, bad items. So our result gave equals to 4c. Note, learners should note that to simplify and to solve are not the same. Do not write equals to 4c equals to 0. Another example. Simplify 22x minus 5x minus 8x plus 10x minus 4x. Solution. Grouping positive and negative terms together, we have 22x minus 5x minus 8x plus 10x minus 4x will be equals to 22x plus 10x minus 5x minus 8x minus 4x, which is equals to 32x minus 17x, and that is equals to 15x, and not 15x equals to 0. Example 3. Simplify 15q minus 4q minus q. Solution. Grouping negative terms together, 15q minus 4q minus q will be equals to 15q minus 5q, and that will be equals to 10q. Another example. Simplify 3y minus 10y plus y plus 7y. Solution. Grouping the positive terms together, we have 3y minus 10y plus y plus 7y will be equals to 3y plus y plus 7y minus 10y, which will give us the result of 11y minus 10y. We have just added only the positive terms. Then we now do our subtraction to give us equals to y. We have come to the end of examples under grouping among like terms. Let's take a few exercises to try your hands on. Then we move to our next subtopic, grouping among unlike terms. Example. Simplify 8x minus 3y plus s minus 4y. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have 8x minus 3y plus x minus 4y will be equals to 8x plus x minus 3y minus 4y, and that's equals to 9x minus 7y. Another example. Simplify 13m plus n minus 6m minus 3n. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have 13m plus n minus 6m minus 3n will be equals to 13m minus 6m plus n minus 3n. 13m minus 6m will give you 7m, and plus n minus 3n will give you minus 2n. Another example. Simplify 25s minus 8t minus t minus 7t. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have 25s minus 8t minus t minus 7t will be equals to 25s minus 16t. We just added all the minus t together, and that gives you 16t. Another example. Simplify x minus 5 plus 13x minus 3. Solution. Grouping like terms together, x minus 5 minus 3 will be equals to x plus 13x minus 3 minus 5, and the result will be 14x minus 8. Another example. Simplify x plus bracket open minus x bracket close plus y. The options are given: a, y, b minus y plus 13x, c 2x plus y, d 2x minus y, e 2x. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have x plus bracket open minus s bracket close plus y is equals to x minus s plus y. We have just opened up the bracket and the minus came out fully. And that is the same as equals to y. In simplifying here, the s cancelled out. Hence, our result is y. We've come to the end of the examples, few examples under grouping among unlike terms. Next, we have some exercises you should try your hand on.